Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see how you can turn on preload pages for your Google Chrome. So let's first understand what preload pages actually mean. The preloading feature in Google Chrome works by loading web pages in the background before you can actually navigate to them. So when you do click on that link, the page is already there instead of making you wait. Chrome uses some smart algorithms to predict which pages you are likely to visit. Next, based on your browsing history and behaviors as well, it then preloads those pages secretly behind the scenes when you are browsing. Isn't that a great feature? So let's see how to enable it. First, let's open our Google Chrome. Now, click on the three vertical dots present on the screen, then hit Settings. Now, in the Settings, you can see the Performance tab. Click on the Performance tab. Now scroll to the bottom and you will see the Preload Pages option. Enable this toggle, and it has two modes, the standard preloading and the extended preloading. Let's see the standard preloading. In the standard preloading, the Chrome will use your cookies stored on your system to preload the pages, although it will enable only some of the pages for preloading. Next is the extended preloading. In the extended preloading, if it uses the cookies as well as the Google server to take care of things. If you allow cookies, Chrome may use them when preloading, and when a site asks to privately preload links on their page, Chrome uses the Google servers. This hides your identity from the preload sites, but Google learns what sites get preloaded. Now, enabling any of these two options will guarantee that the preloaded sites will be loaded onto your system within a blink of an eye. So, this will make your Google Chrome a lot faster. Now, if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, share it, do comment on it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.